In a dream, Buffy Sainte-Marie, the pop singer, who is now a wise woman, a medicine woman, she taught me this chant. And she said that if I chanted it, it would help magic come back to the world. It's Ine Tahota, Ine Tatahota. Ine Tahota, Ine Tatahota, 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 Ine Tahota, Ine Tatahota. And I got these rocks out of my backyard, and I'm chanting this every day because I don't know about you, but I want magic to come back into this world. I hope.